Hello guys, welcome to iMobi channel. It's great to get a new iPad, but recently some users reported they are unable to activate iPad when set up. This would be quite frustrating, but no worries, this video will cover you how to fix unable to activate iPad. To resolve the problem, you must first figure out why you are unable to activate iPad. Mostly, the error notices will let you know, they may be network issue, system issue, or activation lock issue. Let's get it. If notice tells you that this iPad cannot be activated without an internet connection. Thus, you will know the reason might be concerned with your Wi-Fi connectivity. And then you just need to tap on the other options and tap on WLAN or Wi-Fi. Connect to a new Wi-Fi that is stable with a strong signal. Wait a little bit, it may take few minutes to activate your iPad. When you see the data and privacy interface, that means your iPad can reach the Apple activation service now. But if this does not work, even if you try restarting iPad or using PC or Mac to activate few times, then unable to activate iPad mostly will be iPadOS system issue. Tip 2. In some cases, firmware or internet connectivity problems that might cause iPad activation errors may be fixed by doing a factory reset. An iTunes or Finder can help you do that. Connect your iPad to the computer with a USB cable. And then power off your iPad. And press the power button and volume down button at the same time to put the iPad into recovery mode. Then iTunes will pop up on your screen. Click Restore iPad here, and then confirm that update and restore. Next, your iPad software is downloading. Please wait for a while. And please don't unplug your iPad. After the download is completed, iTunes will automatically extract the software information. Then iPad software will be restored. After it's verifying the iPad software, the iPad firmware also will be restored. Please wait patiently. After iPad is restored, you can go to check if the unable to activate iPad issue is fixed or not. If your new iPad is secondhand, and the error notice says activation server cannot be reached, iCloud activation lock can be a factor that may cause you could not activate iPad. AnyUnlock is a complete iOS unlocking tool that assists in removing iCloud activation lock without Apple ID or password. First, download and launch AnyUnlock on your computer. Choose Bypass iCloud activation lock mode, connect your device, and then hit the Start Now option. You will see the iPad status info here. After you check it, click on the Start to Jailbreak. And then follow the instructions to put your iPad into DFU mode. After iPad entered DFU mode, jailbreaking will start automatically. Please wait and keep the device connected. And then please confirm your device information and start to bypass activation lock. Click on Bypass now to begin the process. Few minutes later, iCloud activation lock is bypassed by AnyUnlock. You can activate your iPad freely now. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any questions.